Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. Today I am here to show you how you can download Metamask application on your Android smartphone. First of all, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. After making sure, just open up Play Store and search for Metamask on the search bar. And after the result pops up, it is the first application that shows on your phone. Click on Metamask blockchain. And there is an install button in front of your screen. First of all, we need to know what is Metamask. Metamask is a software currency wallet used to interact with Ethereum blockchains. It allows its user to access the Ethereum wallet through a browser extension or a mobile app. So, to install Metamask on your Android smartphone, just press install, and depending upon your Wi-Fi connection, Metamask will be installed in your Android smartphone in a given time. As you can see, Metamask has been downloaded on the Android smartphone. Now you can use it to your advantage in cryptocurrency wallet, where you can store, trade or do different kind of stuff with the cryptocurrency. Now this much for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.